So guys, to thread it on, it just goes like this. It's very simple. And then this piece clips on in like that. It's really simple and pops right off. All right guys, so as you can see, this actually adjusts. So you can actually rotate the belt completely around. And this moves as well. So if you want it on the side, you can have it on the side. You can actually, you're gonna wanna put it through your belt loop a little bit. So how you can do that is place it through the belt loop and then connect it. Once it's connected, now it's on good. So for the sake of the video, we'll just show you guys this. There's many ways to put it on, and now you got all your gear on here. You can loop it through your belt and this at the same time. You don't have to have it on your belt, so if you want quick access for dropping it. So if you have everything on through your belt, you wouldn't be able to drop this quickly. So for example, right now we can just simply press this, pop it off, and we're good to go if we gotta quickly do something. Or you can put it through your belt loop, and that way it's on there and it's not gonna come off. So as you're moving around doing stuff, pull stuff, but overall it's nice. Probably use it for paintballing this summer, so I'll do an updated video on that. But as you guys can see, it does work good. You just have to adjust it, get it set up perfectly, and once you do that, simple. All right guys, see you on the next one. Hello my friends, and welcome back. So today we're checking out a tactical battle pouch and kit for survival, for paintballing, for hunting, and so forth. So let's go ahead and show you guys. So first off, we have this strap here, which you could put different stuff right down through here. So all these little straps right through here, and then you simply lock it in place. On the other side here, we have this strap as well, which comes off, and you can place stuff inside here, as well as maybe a pen, pencil, tactical pen on the side there, and let's see, probably just that one side. Yeah, just that one side. Open this up. Inside here you have a little pouch as well as other compartment. You also have another compartment here. Open that up. You get another pouch. Let's go ahead and check out the tactical belt now. So this is the belt itself. Nice and heavy duty. Quick release. So with this tactical belt, you can put a lot of stuff in here. Different knives, different tools, different weapons. And you have all these different slots going the whole way through the belt. You also have slots inside as well. So it opens up inside here on both sides to slide different ammunitions and stuff in. And it goes the whole way through.